The Shark Stratos upright vacuum is highly versatile and has the ability to change modes depending on the surface you're cleaning. If you're cleaning a thick carpet or area rug, slide the surface switch to the top position to select thick carpet/area rug. This will make your vacuum easier to move on these thicker carpets and reduce the chance of lifting area rugs. This is also the recommended setting for above floor cleaning. To increase the suction for lower pile carpets, slide the surface switch to the middle position to select carpets/low pile. For cleaning hard floor, slide the surface switch to the bottom position to select hard floor. Equipped with Shark's one-of-a-kind powered lift-away technology, it not only helps you clean hardwood floors, carpet, and tiles in a standard upright mode, it also gives you the ability to detach the pod and clean under furniture and above floor areas with a simple push of a button. Lift away mode with the nozzle removed is also great for cleaning stairs, couches, and other furniture such as shelves, curtains, bookcases, and more. My kids love to run around and make a huge mess dropping cereals, crumbs, and more. This really helps me clean every nook and cranny, no matter where they end up in the house. To use this feature, detach the pod from the wand by pressing the powered lift away button and pulling it away from the wand. You can also press the wand release button to remove the wand from the pod. With the extended reach, you're now ready to tackle hard to reach areas of the home, like cobwebs lurking in the corner of your ceiling or in your air vents. Finally, you can remove just the handle by pressing the handle release button to pull the handle off the wand and pop on an attachment for some close-up cleaning, like dusting around picture frames or shelves. With the Stratos technology, Shark has your whole home covered. Looking for more tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.